Hi guys. So I haven't picked up the camera in like a couple days. So yeah, it's Operation. Stop the noise. It's Operation Get Ready for Baby. So, and then our dogs and cats had fleas. So we've been cleaning like mad people. Oh my gosh. My husband put down this stuff on the carpets, and then he that's not a flea. Go away. So my husband put down, oh crap. So my husband put down some stuff on the carpet. You have to wait 48 hours and then you vacuum. And then after that we wash the carpet. After we wash the carpet, we let it dry. Then we put down some Jaxson. Then we put down some the spray thing that you have to let it dry, but you have to be out of the house. Okay. But you have to be out of the house to do that. Over there I'm cleaning the windowsill because the cat used to sit over there. So I'm cleaning that over there. And my husband moved the nightstand that was over there. And I'm gonna show you where we put that. And I look orange. I think that's a better lighting. But he did that, and then we moved the TV that was here. We moved it over there. And then Maddie's this is gonna be Maddie's thing. So it has all of her changing things on there. And then down there is gonna be her diapers and stuff. And then my makeup's still over there. And over there, there's nothing I can do. That's just stacked pile of diapers. There's nothing I can do about that. And so my husband is going to move this big old bed, and we're going to vacuum, and then we have to treat this room because we haven't treated this room because this is where I've been. This is where my husband sent me when the other spaces are being treated. So this is the last room to be treated. Okay. So this is the last room to be treated, and basically after this we should be done and be ready for baby. Like the whole entire house should be clean. So let me show you guys what we've been doing. So the living room is turned around. We have all the pillows and stuff from the kids' room on the couches. Then the TV we put on that side. Put TV on that side. We got rid of one of these storage containers. Got rid of one of them. The office is still back over there. We moved the cat. We moved the cat over there in the corner over there. And then baby girl is cleaning. Say hi. Hi. She's cleaning the bathroom. And then my daughter's room. Everything is up off the floor. This room is treated, and it's gonna get one more treatment before she comes back in here to sleep. So everything is up off the floor. We trashed. Hey, zombie, get on the bed. We trashed a lot of. Come on out. We trashed a lot of their. Well, majority of their stuffed animals. That's the trash bag. We trashed a lot of majority of their. Majority of their stuffed animals we trashed, and then the boys are working on their closet because my husband is going to treat their room next. Their room only got one treatment so far, and then it needs another treatment. So let me show you guys. So all the beds All the beds are up off the wall. And they're put up. Luckily, stop. Put the guns down and get what you need to get done, Jordan. Thank you. So all the beds are up, and thank God that I never took the plastic off any of their stuff. So that's a plus. So everything is up off the floor. And once we go to treat this room again, we're gonna move everything out and put it out here. So the carpets, it's already been treated. Out here's been treated. Jackson's just making a mess again. Are you finished? So basically, this is where we are right now in the process.
Can I turn on the vacuum?
This picture right here, I'm going to put behind my bed over there because I had it hung up, but I got tired of it. So I'm going to put it behind my bed.
Mommy,
so the TV's there now. Maddie's stuff. And her diaper stash corner right here. No, except for this. This is
in the belt.
Yeah. So all of that is hers. And that's a diaper. This bag is filled with diaper. This one is size 6. All filled to the brim.
Can I turn on the vacuum?
No, Daddy is still going.
No, I need to
and I cleaned the windowsills.
No, I need to do
I still have to put one more treatment on it. But I used the bleach. I used the bleach, not bleach. I'm gonna show you guys what I used. But I used the what is it called, honey? It's mold and mildew blaster. I just sprayed on the windowsills, and you know how in the wintertime how the windowsills get mold and stuff? I spray it on there and then I just wipe it off, and it works magic. Like if I show you guys right now, I'm gonna show you guys one window that's not treated versus one window that is treated. So it does work. I just need to find it. I just need to find it to show you guys. But look, I'm gonna show you the difference. So this window right here haven't been treated because see, hasn't been treated because the dresser was, this dresser was up against it, and that's how this one used to look before I cleaned it. So I need to spray one more coat on here and get it back to that color. So yeah. So yeah, that bad boy works. I just need to find it so I can show you guys. So when I find it, I'm gonna show you, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna go finish helping my husband get these stuff done so we can make our bed, and we need to figure out dinner, and I'm doing laundry. So yeah, so I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a little bit. So our bed is up. Our bed used to be right there.
Hi.
Well, there's a child right there. But my husband took apart our bed. There's beds everywhere. Beds. So we vacuum. And then he's gonna shampoo, then treat. Shampoo, vacuum, in that order, something like that. So for right now, I am so tired. I am so tired. Operation Get Ready for Maddie is serious. It's serious, and I'm telling you, it's some serious cleaning going on to get ready for this little girl. Like, Maddie, if you're watching this sometime in the future, baby girl, we cleaned house for you, honey. We cleaned house for you to come. So I hope you appreciate this. If you see this in the future, know that we did so much to get you here. I could cry right now, but I'm not gonna cry. Anyways, yeah, so why is that child being weird?
Jordan, your big brother.
Yep, the great big brother. This is how much we've been vacuuming. Oh, let me show you guys the this guy. Yeah, it's good for the mold and stuff. Like if you see any mold spots and stuff, like, you know, from like if you see little mold spots, you can treat it and it won't come back.
This thing fell off.
You have to get your stuff.
This thing fell off.
You took it off. It's easy to put on. You just wind it back up. So that's where we are right now.
Mommy, show them the new vacuum.
Huh?
Show them the new vacuum.
Oh, Eliana wanted me to show you guys the new vacuum. So we've been vacuuming and vacuuming and vacuuming, and my husband broke our old vacuum, so my belly is in the way. We got a new vacuum. It's the same, but it's bigger. Because the one that we had before, it's discontinued. So we had to get a new vacuum.
Stop jumping.
And now my husband's getting ready to shampoo. That's our carpet cleaner. It's the Bissell Pro Heat 2X. It's really good. I gotta go.